Let's be real. Most people, when they think about getting old, dread one thing above all: losing their memories. Dementia, Alzheimer's, all those terrifying words that mean forgetting the faces you love or even who you are. Right now, there's no cure. Treatments can help, sure, but nothing stops it in its tracks. But what if I told you there's a group of people, actual superheroes of the mind called Superagers, whose brains seem almost immune to the usual effects of aging? Here's what's wild: some of these folks are in their 80s and 90s, but their memories? On par with people 20 or even 30 years younger. A team at Northwestern University spent 25 years studying superagers, looking at their lifestyles, scanning their brains, even examining donated brains after death. They found something astonishing: superagers' brains physically resist aging. Their cerebral cortex, the brain's outer layer responsible for memory, reasoning, language, even your personality, is just as thick as in much younger adults. This is a huge deal because most of us lose that thickness as we get older. And that's a big reason why stuff starts slipping. But it doesn't stop there. Superagers also have a chunk of brain called the cingulate gyrus that's not only preserved, but actually thicker than in younger people. That area helps with emotion, self-control, and pain, not just memory. Plus, their brains show less of the bad stuff we associate with Alzheimer's, like sticky plaques. Zoom in even further and you'll find their neurons, the cells that actually process information, are bigger and healthier, especially in spots that help with remembering places, times, and things. The nerves that help control memory and body functions, holding strong. The information highways, still smooth and fast, thanks to special neurons called von Economo cells. Even the brain's immune cells, which can cause inflammation and damage in most older people, stay chill in superagers. So what's their secret? Here's the twist: there's no one-size-fits-all lifestyle. Some superagers lived clean and healthy, others smoked, drank, hardly exercised, and lost sleep. Even stress didn't seem to slow them down. The one thing they almost all had in common: an active social life. They stayed connected, joined clubs, played games, and built strong, positive relationships. Scientists still aren't sure if superagers are born with special brains or if there's something in their lives or genes that shields them. But the hope is, by unlocking what makes their brains so resilient, we could discover treatments, even gene therapies, that help everyone fight off dementia and other brain diseases. It's early days, but this research is already changing how we think about aging and what's possible for our brains. Maybe growing older doesn't have to mean losing yourself. Maybe, just maybe, we can all learn a thing or two from the superagers.